Here's a bar Walmart heat pump here. And you can see here that frozen line. Look at this. It's not looking promising. See, we got some ice on the side there. Some ice near the compressor. And parts of the reverser valve. Look at this line. That's absurd. There's even more on the left side too. It's like all the way up here. Ice on the inside. Yep. Fan of the bat in it. You can already tell it's not even spinning. I don't see a reason why this should be running. The other one's actually running right now. It's probably helping it out. But this thing is still in use. And the fan motor bad in it. So I don't see the point of running it. Well, yep. Fails happen, so there's another fail for the day.